Morning, everybody. Welcome back to Scrapyard Rescue. Today we're working on Fairlane number 1 again. But before we get started, for all you guys that watch the channel that aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm really struggling here to I'm trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers, So I would really appreciate it if you're a non-subscriber, that you would become a subscriber and give me, thumbs up, that type of stuff. Anyways, what we're going to do today is, the other day when this thing crapped out again, it ran out of gas. Well, basically, I think that's what happened. Not that it ran out of gas in the tank and stuff, but the fuel pump stopped working. Huh, go figure. So we've gone through an electric fuel pump and a mechanical fuel pump, and this one here now is quit. So we've got to. I started calling around looking for a fuel pump yesterday. Napa said they had one in stock. It was like $63 for it. AutoZone told me that they don't have anything in their system for cars this old anymore, so I guess that store's pretty much out. And O'Reilly's would have had to order it, and theirs was, I don't know, $59 or something. So I was like, yeah, here we go again. Another $50-$60 on a piece of shit part that doesn't work, and how long is that one gonna work? 2 weeks, a month? This one's like maybe 2 months old, and it's no good. The electric pump lasted maybe a month, and it don't work. So I woke up this morning and I thought, I got this pump off of Fairlane number 2. So I dug it out of the crate I had all this stuff in, and I've pumped the thing a couple times, and it's pumping. So I'm putting this one back in. This is a real Ford part. Yeah, right there. Made in the US of A. Can you believe that? I took the filter off, and the filter in here, it had some, residue down here in the bottom, but otherwise, it was like it's not all rusted up or crap or anything. It just had some dirt in the bottom. I cleaned it out, and I'm sticking this baby on, and it's getting gas to the filter, because if I take the line off of the main line to the gas tank, gas is running out of it. So obviously it's getting gas up to this part and not up there. I took the hose off the carburetor the other day when I was trying to crank it over. There's not a drop of gas coming out of it. It's just, it's not pumping. So we're gonna put this in this morning, and I'm gonna just see what happens. Good thing about these fuel pumps on these things, they're really easy to fix. It's too bad you got to fix them all the time, and you can't just put one in and figure maybe you might get a couple years or something out of it. I don't know. Would be nice, wouldn't it? I talked to one guy, I don't know what I was getting. I forgot what I was getting it from. It was O'Reilly's, I guess. And, I had to get a radiator. I did a bunch of videos the other day, and crap, we'd be leaking fuel. I did like an hour, long video the other day, and when I went to upload it and all that kind of stuff, it starts telling me that that I don't have any memory. I don't have enough memory to do an hour long thing. So apparently I erased everything on my phone, even erased stuff that I screwed up and didn't want to erase, and erased it anyway and lost it. So now I don't have pictures of my logo. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I gotta run inside and grab a filter. Okay, I'm back. I kind of forgot to turn the camera back on, but I'm gonna, what's it going in there now? Get in there, dang it. Okay, that's on. Let's get this little baby back on. I had a guy on the Fairlane forum the other day. I was thinking this thing was getting too hot and stuff, and so I wasn't sure what to do. And he suggested, I have an electric fan on this car, and you know, he was pointed out that none of the car manufacturers that have V8 engines use electric fans. He says all of them have a mechanical, you know, fan. He said that the, you know, electric fans are good for smaller engines that, you know, don't get so hot, but you know, a V8 might have a problem. What I did the other day on the videos that I lost, I took the thermostat and everything out of this thing, hooked it all up, put it all back in without a thermostat, flushed the engine out thoroughly, did all that kind of stuff, and then got it running. It was running okay, and I let it run for, a good half an hour, just sitting here, and it was just idling, just perfect, you know, 800 RPMs, just smooth as could be, and then it just died, just, you know, like it was out of gas, and I'm pretty sure that's what had happened. It's out of gas, so hopefully this will cure it. But it never got up without the thermostat. It got up to about 165 degrees, was the hottest it got. And according to the book, this car is supposed to have a 165 degree thermostat in it. Well, I'm thinking if it runs at 165 degrees without a thermostat, I'm just going to leave it out. And if I have trouble later, I'll put I have the fan, the mechanical fan and everything. I'll just put that back on. I really like these electric fans because you can just do stuff, you know, when the engine's running. You don't have to worry about chopping your arm off or something. So I hate to have to do that. But if it runs at 165 with no thermostat, like I said, I just won't put a thermostat in it. I probably won't drive this car in the winter anyway, so I don't, you know, I don't care about the heater. So let's get this finished up here. I gotta go ahead and put this back on real quick before I lose too much fuel. is just weird. No matter what I do or where I go, there's some freaking thing that just irritates me, like the sun now. It's shining right in my face. I can't see nothing. It's just, it's like there's always something. Come on. This little beely bopper. Take this off. We got gas. Okay. Well, there was gas in here. It's like it's rattling all over inside. I don't know. Oh, sure. It's just, this is just crap. It broke right off. Wow. What a piece of shit. All right. Okay. I think I got those. Okay, what I'm going to do is just jump in. Pull this that off so we don't start. I did put a new coil on it again the other day just because the other coil was bad too. And I tested this one when I turned the key on, checked the positive lead to the coil, ground it. It's 6 volts, exactly what it's supposed to be. So that coil works. I tested the voltage regulator. That apparently works. So all the ignition stuff seems to be in order. So I'm going to crank it for a bit here and see what it does with pumping fuel. Okay, I don't see any leakage or anything like that, so let's see. Let's just see if it wants to start. It should start right up if there's fuel up in the carburetor. There we go. Just running perfect. can see it pumping plenty of gas through the filter. So that's working. I'm going to let it warm up for a while. Get it out of here where it's not, you know, like it's going to roll off a cliff or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video here, make it a short one, so you guys watch it. Please watch all the way through to the end here. And, you know, I guess it's too late to say that now because it's already over. But another just bad part from the junk store, I guess. So with that, we're just going to go ahead and close this video here. And I want to thank everybody for watching. See you next time.